Hello, everyone. Hi, this is Claire from Claire Culinary Adventures. And today I made a video already. It was on my other channel, but I'm not doing much on that channel. So I'm converting this video to this channel. It was made about 2 years ago. It's about worms and, how worms can help your soil and how I process the worms to get casting for my my plants. I use worm casting on most of my plants. So this is just moving this video over to this channel. Also, I only had 3 people wanting seeds, or 4. So I didn't make a seed video, a giveaway seed winner video, because there's no winner. I was giving away 5 seeds, 5 set of seeds. So anyway, all the people on there, my Facebook, for all the people who posted under the seed giveaway video, I'll be adding I added on my Facebook channel, on my Etsy channel. My Facebook page, you can go to Claire's Culinary Adventures on Facebook, or my Etsy channel. The link is below, my Etsy store, and send me a message with your address and which seeds you want. I think there's only one person that I didn't get information from yet, so you can go ahead and do that. Anyway, I want you to watch this video, and if you're queasy, don't watch it. It has lots of worms. Lots of worms in it. It's about worm and how worm help your soil, and how I take care of the worms and stuff, and reap the worms, separate the worms from my soil that I need. All right. Thank you for watching as always, and I'm looking for a few more people, subscribers, to make what is it, 6,000. I think I've been here about 9. Could you invite your friends to my channel if you think they like what things that I do? I cook and I make videos with plants, and I deal with hot peppers and so on, as most of you know. So invite people to watch my channel. And if you've been watching my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. Today I want to talk to the farmers, those of you guys in my subscribers who farm and grow things. I don't know if you hear people talk about worm tea and worm castings. One of the best things for your plants as manure, it's the best thing. Anyway, I have 2 of these, 2 different bins, and I'm emptying this one out today. And I've been taking out some of this, because all of this is worm casting, at least most of it. You put stuff in here like you're peeling from anything you're cooking. I mean, I look in here and I see all kind of seeds and stuff growing, because what's this? Yeah, something was growing here. I'm not sure what this was, but anyway, corn husk, you can see. When we make corn, we just drop them in here. There's all kind of peeling skin. Only thing I don't put is mango. Only thing I don't put, and paper too. I don't put orange and stuff like that. Orange skin. They say worms don't like orange. But I'm using my hand now. They have all kind of sophisticated stuff you can use to get your worm casting. But I took out some and put on here, and they don't like the sun. See, the sun is shining. I'm inside of my greenhouse, and the sun is shining, and they don't like light. So I've been taking out some from the top and dropping in here. You can see all kind of stuff inside here. All of this good for your plants, and I'm going to sort this out again. But anyway, I've been taking off the top like this, and if I find 1 or 2 good sized worm, I drop them in this little bucket here, and I'll just take off the top like this and drop over here. That's what I've been doing. And at the bottom, you're going to find a lot of worms. You can see some of them there. See, they're going right back to hide again. You see them? They're going back to hide underneath. And sometimes I just pick them up and drop them in the bucket, because this bucket is what I'm going to use to start the new bin. Because I'm going to start a new bin. I'm going to empty this bin, and I'm going to start a new bin. But anyway, see, as soon as you're getting to the bottom, see, here. Oh, man. When I get under there, there'll be a lot. See? See, as soon as I'm getting closer to the bottom, I find more and more worms. See? That's where they are. They're hiding under there. So I'm going to take my time and scrape these off and then start another batch. I might not finish today, but I'll continue with it. But they're right under here. Look at that. These are called red wigglers. That's what these worms are called. And they eat fast. They eat anything from your kitchen, except, you know, like plastic and stuff like that. You're not going to put that in there. But you can see them. They're going to take their time and get back from the top right back to the bottom. They don't want to be in the light. They don't like the light. I'm almost at the bottom. And look at this bundle here. This is how they roll themselves almost like in a ball. They're at the bottom. These are the red wigglers. So they're at the bottom, and I'm trying to get the soil that I need for my plants. So I'm going to put these in this bucket. I changed my bucket. I'm going to put those in there. And I'll pick out whatever is left and put them in there and start another set. These are some of the best. People always ask me what I put in the soil, and this is some of the best soil you can use. And sometimes I forgot to mention that this is what I'm using. And get the soil that I need for my plants. This is rich manure. You could also like use chicken manure and those kind of things. Some of the best things for your soil. But you're not gonna get everything. You're not gonna find everybody. Some are gonna get in. Some of them will get in the soil, and it's good because they get in it. Whether you use pot or regular soil, it's good for the soil. All right. So I just took out a new batch of out of the bin. See, I'm almost half. The bin is almost half already. And you look at some of the stuff I have in here. Paper. Now they love paper. Can you see them? They're right here. They love the paper. They wrap themselves into the paper. And this is March, so you know they were here in the winter. Right here, my greenhouse. When I was in New York, I had some, and it got so cold in 2018, it killed all my worms. In any case, I moved, so I wouldn't be able to carry them. Drop all the paper. You can corn husk, coffee. I empty this and pour the coffee inside of there, but sometimes I leave these in here because they get to stay in there. You know, I found a lot of them inside of here. They love to go inside of things. This is the seed of a mango, and if you look in here, you might see some. Anything that I see that's big, I'm gonna drop. This is what, a piece of sugar cane or something? No, this is ginger. Oh, I'm gonna plant this. This will grow. Sometimes I just stick stuff in there. And I found a lot of stuff growing, as I mentioned before. But I'm going to put all that paper back with them. You can see that. They're all over the paper. Can you see it? They're all over, the little ones everywhere. I think most of the times they say they hatch their young ones. Put the eggs in here because they have eggs. And they hatch the young ones on the paper. So you always have to put. I line the bottom with paper. What I'll do is do a separate video with when I'm creating the new bin. So you'll get to see how I do that. This is some of the things I use on my plants. And this you can see, this is avocado. Whenever I have piece of avocado skin or whatever, or if the avocado gets bad, I'll drop it in the bin. Corn husk. You know, finish eating a corn, you put the husk in here, and you can put the other part there, the inside of it. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna continue doing this, and I'll do it until I'm finished the bin. So right now you hardly see any because they're heading to the bottom. And I put paper towel instead of throw your paper towel, you put it in here. Because you also, look at that. That is pumpkin seeds that I planted. I took out some of the old seeds. See, the seeds are growing. Look, the seeds are growing, and I just drop them here. I'm gonna actually plant them. So that's another way to grow stuff, and you get the best thing. Look how healthy they look. So you can see I'm almost at the bottom of this, and most of the worms are piled right under here. You know, they're piled under this heap here. So I keep taking off from the top, and you can see. Look at that. See, they're right under the bottom, under here, hiding, but they don't like the light. Don't like the light, so I'll just keep taking this off, and this is the second batch I did. Whenever I find any, if I can pick them up, I pick them up and drop them in the bin. But I could take up two. Look at that. That's a whole lot. I'm just gonna drop them in here.